To tag the vehicles, you're going to press the power button on the top of the Zebra unit to wake it up, slide up from the bottom to get into the app, and press the Tracer Plus application and launches. From here, it's going to ask you to press the Try It button, which will open up the application and put you into the barcode scanning section. Two key things right here is the scanner itself. You only want to use the scan buttons on either the left or right side. And for reading the barcode, and then when you're actually writing the tag or reading the tag, it's the only time you're going to press the yellow trigger. Other than that, you leave your finger off the trigger so you don't accidentally scan it. Now, we're going to press the application. It's going to ask for the owning city unit number. From here, you're going to use the scan buttons on the side to scan it. Now this is ready to read the tag or start writing the tag. Hold the tag in front about 6 inches ahead, squeeze the trigger, and hold the trigger squeezed until you see the green light beep. From there, you're going to hear a confirmation on the device. You want to hit yes to confirm the device. And now put the tag back in front and watch for the green light again. The green light just blinked, and the tag is written, numbers verified, and you're back to tagging your next vehicle.